Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an AI chatbot. So you can ask anything to this AI chatbot, especially when you are having any research questions, or if you want to prepare content for your academic writing. So you can use this kind of chatbot to generate better content for you. And there is an option called tone. So you can select what is the tone you want, and thereby you can generate a better content for your academic writing. So let us go on to today's video, and we will give some research prompts in that particular chatbot, and let us see how it will generate content for us. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing using AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and I am going to explain how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you want to know more about the best AI tools available in the market, especially for academic writing, so don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI chatbot, what we are going to discuss today is that, so here you can see this is Nextbot AI. So it is also offering a free trial for you also, so you can use that free trial. So apart from this, this is the dashboard of this Nextbot AI. So here you can see these are the different options available. This is AI writing option. So this is the dashboard where you can ask anything to write that AI tool. So here for example, I am going to give an input research prompts like this: generate an outline for the project report titled IoT based home security applications. So like that you can give an input. So after that you can select the tone of voice here. So here the tone of voice I am going to, there are different tone of voices are available. Here you can see that friendly, professional, witty, casual, exciting, luxury, relaxed, bold, adventurous, empathetic, funny, sarcastic. So like that, so I am giving professional. So after that you can click on generate. So it will take several seconds. It will write the content and it will generate content for you. So this is how you can use this kind of AI chatbot to generate content. So here, so it is asking for free. So here you can see that our content is generated. So introduction, so definition of IoT, improve of that is importance of home security in modern era. Next, overview of the project and its objectives. So next second chapter will be IoT based home security system, components of IoT based home security system. You can see sensors, control units, connectivity, user interface, benefits of IoT home security system. So increased safety and protection. So next the third chapter will be IoT based home security system. So next challenges and considerations, conclusions. So this is how the report, that is outline of that project report will be generated. So after that, so you can refresh again and you can give another input research prompt. So here what I am going to give is, so make a literature review on the topic IoT based home security system. So like that I am going to give an input. So again click on generate. So it will take several seconds and it will generate the content for you. So let us see how it will generate. So whether it is generating valid papers or not. So let us see that also. So here you can see that a professional literature review on the topic of IoT based home security system is generated here. So here you can see that introduction, in this introduction you can see that the basic introduction of the topic is generated. Next, the features of IoT is also generated with citation. So you have to check this paper Mahmood et al 2020. So next it is generated with some references. Always please check these references. It is generating around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 references has been generated. So you can check these references before using it in your academic writing or any research paper writing. So all the references generated by this kind of AI tools are not authenticated, so you have to please cross check once with an authenticated website or authenticated sites where the paper has been published, so you can make use of this option. So let us try with some other option. So in order to do so, I am going to take a paper here. So for example, I am going to take an open access paper. So go back. So I am going to take this open access paper here. So here I will choose some references. So in this I am going to choose some 3 references here. Copy these references. So go to Nextbot AI. So and you can copy paste the references. From the references, make a literature review. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So let us see for this kind of option how this Nextbot AI will generate content. So whether you can generate even the content from this particular AI itself, or else what you can do is, so you can give some references in this particular tool, so and then make the tool to make a literature review for you. So here comes our literature review. Yes, it is generating a perfect literature review. So thereby by giving references also, it is generating a literature review. So you can use this kind of option also. So apart from this, there are different options are available here. Let Nextbot AI continue writing for you. Next, grammar and spelling checker, letter writer, paragraph writer, paraphraser and improver. So you can select any topic you want, any template you want, and using this template you can generate better content for you. So this is how you can use Nextbot to generate a better content for your writing. So the important thing is that till now this Nextbot AI you can use it for free, and it is giving an free for a Nextbot AI premium version, so you can use that also. So go on and explore this Nextbot AI with some research prompt and make your research paper writing, academic writing very simple using this AI tool. So hope this video will be very useful for you. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.